The world wants you to be the same. It tells you to fit into its mold, to conform to the 9-to-5 grind. It says you can't start a business. It'll never work. You're too young to make it on your own. You're too old to start something new. But greatness doesn't come from fitting in. It comes from breaking free. It comes from daring to dream when others doubt you. It comes from finding the ones who push you forward, who share your vision. Surround yourself with those who lift you higher, who see your potential even when you can't. Be hungry for your success. Be relentless in your pursuit of greatness. Don't give up when the road gets tough, because that's when you're closest to your breakthrough. Turn the world's doubts into your fuel, propelling you forward towards your dreams. You can build that business. You are not too young. You can start something new. You are not too old. You can and you will. Get to where you want to be. Create your future. Build your dreams. Go back to where you are supposed to be. Your future is there waiting for you. Partner with Innov8 Digital Media for your technology solutions. And together, let's defy the world's expectations. Let's build your dreams and rewrite the rules. Innov8 Digital Media